It's April 2nd and it's snowing outside. This is pretty insane. It's like snowing pretty hard right now and it's April. I'm heading to Jonathan Chong's birthday lunch. Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Jeremy, how are you?
Good.
What the?
Oh, that's skill though. One at a time.
Bye. This is absolutely insane. It's snowing so hard and it's April. It's like literally a snowstorm right now. All right, that's enough. I'm going inside. It's snowing so much. Oh my gosh. My hands are like gonna freeze off. Oh, my mic has snowflakes all over it. It's so crazy outside.
I know, it's like a full-on like storm. Dude, we're gonna get like I think like
Apparently it's supposed to snow tomorrow
4
too.
inches, yeah. I think it's 100% for the whole week.
Oh my gosh.
Get your camera.
In
so,
April.
Like, is that okay?
Yeah, it'll dry off. Michigan bipolar weather. It's super sunny now. And Isaac's pillow has turned into a cloud. It's soaked up all the water. I am heading to watch Calvin's Got Talent, which my sister is in, leaving the big camera at home. Someone to say this.
Maybe she is.
Thank you. Hey, what's up?
A lot of opinions, a lot of confusion, a lot of resentment. Some of us scared, some of us defensive, and most of us aren't even paying attention. It seems like we're more concerned with being called racist than we actually are with racism. I've heard that silence is an action, and God knows that I've been passive. What if I actually read an article, actually had a dialogue, actually looked at myself, actually got involved? I'm aware of my privilege and do nothing at all.
Jules, good job.
This is my friend Akira.
Good job, guys. Good job. Right, we're here at Uccello's celebrating We're here at
Jeremy needs to go
we're
to
here at
sleep.
Applebee's celebrating. I'm gonna end the video right here.
I wanna like poke a hole in this.